Okay, now we are going to do the complete exercise of chapter 1 for class 7 for the subject of English language. You can turn your pages on page number 3. You have before you checking comprehensions like your comprehension skills, question and answers. The very first question is, what did the Arabs worship before Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam preached Islam? कि आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की तबलीग इस्लाम से पहले अरब के लोग किन चीज़ों की पूजा करते थे. And we very well know, if you go through the reading of this chapter, the answer is, I have written it over here. Question number 1, answer: Arabs worshipped idols before Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam preached Islam. कि हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की तबलीग इस्लाम से पहले अरब के लोग बुतों की पूजा करते थे. Idols mean बुत. Okay students, the next question is, what were the teachings of Islam? कि इस्लाम की तालीमात क्या थीं? The next answer is, Islam taught kindness and respect. इस्लाम ने हमें क्या सिखाया? रहमदिली और इज्जत करना. Got it? The third question is, why did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam visit the old woman? कि आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने उस बुढ़िया को क्यों विजिट किया, उसके घर क्यों गए? The third question's answer is written here. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited the old women to inquire about her health. हमने ये इंसिडेंट पहले भी सुना है कि वो किस लिए गए थे. The fourth question is, how did the old women change? कि वो जो बुढ़िया है वो कैसे बदल गई? The answer is written here. The old woman changed because she was impressed by the kind and loving behavior of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. क्योंकि वो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की रहमदिली वाले जो रवैये से मुतासिर हुई थी. The last question is, why did the enemy take out his sword at Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? कि दुश्मन ने आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की तरफ तलवार क्यों उठाई? The answer is, the enemy took his sword out to murder the Holy Prophet सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, क्योंकि वो नाउज़ुबिल्लाह हाँ सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के कत्ल का इरादा रखता था. That's all for today students. You have gone through the exercise. Please memorize it at your best. Thank you. Take care.